Hey guys, welcome back to JYLeeCooking, and today we'll be making Aglio Olio. And as usual, before we start off the video, just a gentle reminder, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and of course the bell notification icon for more updates on future videos. And as you can see, the ingredients are right in front of you. We need 8 cloves of garlic, we need a lot of garlic here, 10 grams of parsley here, half a tablespoon of chili flakes, and we have linguine here, about 220 grams of it, but you can use spaghetti, and of course we need extra virgin olive oil. Without wasting any more time, let's start cooking. Now for Aglio Olio, it's very important that we maintain that solid flavor of garlic. So we do not pound the garlic for peeling, and we just peel it by hand one by one. And we're going to remove the roots of the garlic, and we're just going to slice them up thinly. Now for the parsley, we're just going to need the leaves. So we're going to remove it and roll it up like that, and what we call a chiffonnet cut. Or you can just chop it up like so. Now for cooking pasta, the basic is of course boiling water, and make sure you salt it. Add in the pasta and cook for 7 minutes depending on what pasta you use. And from time to time, make sure you stir it around to prevent it from sticking, and 7 minutes later you have al dente pasta. Now as for the pasta water, we're not going to put it to waste, and we're going to save it for later. In a hot pan, we're going to put a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to toss in all that sliced garlic. Now make sure it's on low heat here. We don't want to burn the garlic here, we just want to sweat it. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix it up well, and we're going to add half a tablespoon of chili flakes. Once everything is coming together, we will be adding the pasta water that we saved earlier just now. This step is very important. We want to bring it to a boil and emulsify that liquid until we get this nice glossy liquid here. I'm just gonna add a bit of salt and pepper here. You might think that I'm seasoning a lot, but actually when you add in the pasta later on, it's gonna dilute the flavor. So once everything is in, pasta goes in, and we're gonna mix it around and add some of that pasta water to give it some moisture. Now in goes all of that chopped parsley, and we're just gonna check that no pasta is sticking together. Give it one last taste and drizzle some olive oil over it for some glazing. Now that's done, we're going to remove it from the heat and dish up. Just going to tour the pasta to form a nest here. Gonna top the pasta with some of that fragrant garlic, and we're gonna drizzle over some of that fragrant oil. And now time for that close-up shot, and wait a minute, okay, I think it's a bit out. Let me just adjust it. Okay, here you go. And of course the taste test. Okay, enough of humiliating myself. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys again next time.